da Chairman Benedict Chubosi akoso na akoye kodanda enam se yehunu se ye mampanyini ede saa bill sem no akwakoye fidie ato Chairman Benedict Chubosi akon kire se woye bema ogidi yeso ne saka na ebeka party no yewura Brane Champon ebae ema odi saa shoti na ye pe no aba ma de odi bae kwa bro sika aban no ehwehwe se ye de be yewura Chairman Chubosi akon aba
sure
na wakire se kasatentene entoponko
right
what the hia no aba ananka
kasatenten
entoponko
kasatenten
entoponko
sa
de hia
na hwana na kasa dodo
sika na ye hia no
kasa no hwana
na ye wo akire na se bi ode bia ye na mabontia na ye demonstration ne ade no e kire se ye hunu se omampanyini ede sikasem no e ba ye fidi ama Chairman Benedict Chubosi akodwuma wo di wasantema mu ne MPP mu no ye ho akire ye na eduru ba bi no na koye dine bema Brane Champon eyiniti amenra de ne yehia nyina odi aba nti se yete
emontin
amusi ni aba na eye Dr. Brane Champon ye beda
na ye kasatenten ho
ye ni bi enti na ama demonstration ni bebre no ano na ye but yen kan hu ade ba ko de ekoso ni videos a nkofo ye eni nsema nkofo kan nyina no yen the New Patriotic Party atwa to ya twa to say 2029 sa video ni besa bo ye be bo akire nkofo because
2029
you see if you want to predict tomorrow you create it today. If you want to predict tomorrow, you create it today. And the NDC is creating tomorrow today.
At the end of 2020.
Ni omu ye be yomu bi. The NDC for any remonacha. Ede mrano, adani fidie, adani tuo, ede ahwe MPP so eneno. E kira ye be yomu bi. And ma MPP panyini bia etimi dem se adwuma aban na ne omo afa no omu mpesika ngo
no but wo
hwe no omu behia so omu de bebelu omo ho one after that omu ko de bedu omo so no we arrest them and their wives and their children
lawyer appear could be o kire se emra kwan so na eso omo fa enti wanka bibia se bia de yoko ye no in fact omubu article we so omubu mra we so and those things he was okay with how things are going. He said that just that the process no due process no na so omu follow and they are fulfilled all nka kase ye be you so from the working we can say bia say the omu mfa mra na ye adwuma ne ade no adan are you saying a different thing from the lawyer
no can say lawyer appear could be so MPP need there but onye MPP lawyer or Chairman Benedict Chubosi a lawyer. And in the law profession, your ethics and whatever they have to do. Won't mean your politics with certain things. But your political community and I say political institution. And the NDC so a binary your political institution. There be video now musum ye hu. Yes, it's a what ba unimbebu yes yet be. The NDC no. Yenim kire opportunity bi ba mre bi atwam ananka the New Patriotic Party ni omu ye nanka betima ye omu bi ebre omu je double salaries a nanka ye okromo ma anka betima gu omu ma se atwo matuma anka ni yenim se bia ke ye sad no ya adwene mu no ye sad le bia na the stability of the state e be question because who MPs be bri ana we adwene se o prosecute omu on a daily basis a e betima ma bia instability wi ana se bi yetimi asi e ma ye da adwene hu se da bi yenhwe kwan be fa so a ye be manage yewura nyesi afamra nya adwuma emra ye manipa ye nya nipa mamra o tia se ye mra manipa ye nya nipa mamra entino se endis for adwene se they weaponize the law omudi emra no omba se emra ne setuo no mda hwe MPP so a ye ka chom se do mu ye na nyina no omunka hunu se emra bi beba dole the New Patriotic Party will come back to power. Na NDC omanya hwe a omu bo kroma omu boye nifra emfie num aye daylight of mu Ghana for the abufuso eto abati o no mu nya akorokwa na nya no mu aya akono enti se ye ba ye de Ghana sika ebo Ghana for ho bra eye akwan hodo eye free churches ne ade se Ghana for the abufu abehwe so ato abati ade de chese enti back to power but ye ka chom so omu mpesika the new the NDC omu mpesika chese omu behia videos how do omo ye on social media comment how do omo kan on social media ne ade nyina de kan so omo peska if so omo yen scan de belu omo nja boru omo de betiti omo kira because omo ye no ensem fata na de okunwa ya do mama bebe no wuntu bi kun no a enu ntie ne wudi 50 million to ni tiri so e de no waye nipa baako oko CID no oni CID akodi nkoma ma CID for ama na self recognizance bail no opie na yoko mo che no a chama huntumi yo obi obadwane free Ghana ni investment ahodo o Ghana position okura o Ghana o new patriotic party mu o yo obi obasore kwa kwotran UK so kobobra na se biye ti akura me tie me passport kwa menye bida menye madwese kwa kwotran bo chire ba bia me kura no a se bi mi ni hwe no kwa no menye madwese badwane free kroma na chama bada de tubo si ako e bra wo boy our politics mo bra wo boy in business obadwane ko he an yentimi fa be kakra bi ntu ni tiri so a 50 million na de okun ya jo mama be no okun no ne ba be no okun na ndisi panyi be no okun no
na say o hwe cases ya charge ya de bono omo kan about financial crimes and then omo chere say fraud and now causing financial loss to the state
akoko han botom no to ye wan sika no akwakofa money laundering no obi person odi ubone a money laundering no obetime use any taxes but ye can say nyomu ye na ye causing financial loss to the state nyina na obi wonye government appointee
wonye
government position bia na the ben na businessman kwaji loan wa akoye fere wo kroma won ye ni akọ bank ya ma no loan da akoko a won ye ni akọ bank ya ma no loan da here ni ji loan minim munchem bank here for ji loan na me man here for minimum kwaji loan if you are not a businessman with money and I say who need property bia who ti ji loan etikafo na ji loan krom ha obi otimi ji loan bia ye ma minimum ji loan no because we sika ni na otimi ji loan ne fere ya ni sai na Ghana man yen ko ji loan Ghana as a country o man ni nyina ye ko ji loan na se businessman ko ji loan na ne fere ya ni sai uko US ni ade nya big companies government ko timi mo musika se nye loan ya mo grant ni sika se o be ya mo timi employ ko for na NDC no mo ye nya mo kire se in opposition during campaigning no mo target was some of these people. And the Ekacho say, we are say administratively, you can make errors or mistakes. It's your mind, say they will target the leadership of MPP. The year can say, Omunya butre, and ne Omusina tuna momojre. So my mind, say, Omubako Swaye, Sadio Muyanwa, Womunko Swabium, MPP for Mubia, Omomo Mukwine. Ayo Omu say, Omubeye traitors within the party. Omu this and some money, almost supported the NDC. Omunka hunu se odwan ba wo se wono de ne maame ne yeton no onye ono ne yeton no ye de maame ko odwoma ye kwakoton no wo se ne maame ne yeton no onye ono ne yeton no nanso yeton ne maame wi ye de ko ye no no wo fa kire konom no fo na ne rafi no hu se wakoda ne mfaso enti omunhunu ne omu ye no se ochina se table no tane a the same thing will happen to them because the NDC appointees, the businessmen who are doing business with their government, because Ochina, Sabo Reno Mopeguano, only be I then the Nipa Bako 48 hours, Munim 48 hours in the happen. But Munim says, Cano Mudi to the car, a bay dinner, say other people will bring. Anuntina media, Mrs. Sia, Anunti. And I'm better than Manopoya. I'm singing the praise. What you say? And I'm better than me singing the praise of Dr. Brandon Champona. A chance a drew baby no quite home. Says Kana Yen Yano, only if you did a papa at one for about a week or two. And until Dr. Brandon Champona pay me by ya, Miss Single out say, what's immediate and you may here see a debate papa about one till he said, Baya, caught the Kanya court seminar and can rock a berry. So almost had from Baba Nazo was a Pia or Meta watching the and me say they are making a hero out of Chamaun to me if they don't know.
Right.
The NDC and the Yoko and the NIB are making a hero of Chama Brandon Chubuosa because no Mube Bia the national chairmanship. The man will win.
Right.
And in 2028 elections they will have to face him.
They
will face Chama Brandon Chubuosa and they are going to make his spirit go higher. Among for say, Anna, ye chenga kebi no yari na den de he Ghana ye mpanyin fo bibiri. Media me because e kro man mo escaford na yari o. Chira say adwendwene how to make money, how to employ people, how to make your business work no. Sometimes the stress that it brings to you, sometimes difficult. In the Ghana, you pay for baby no ano. So when your opportunity, they will tell you if they want to be truthful. They will tell you say, "Omo to do more because of the stress that is on them." So it is nothing new.
Okay,
it is nothing new.
Right, me that's. What you say?
And this is for omo people from the betu omo.
Right, me that's.
Because you be your omo bi.
That was on the own to me issue. Mamin call John.